Today I will talk about the four features of Snapseed: details, curves, white balance and crop. First of all, we will go to crop. In this section you can crop your image. If we click on free, then we crop our image according to our required size, and if we click on the other options, it will click according to that size which is mentioned. So then we will go to the details. In detail section there are two options, structure and sharpening. In structure we can give structure to overall picture. If we decrease it, the detail will be lost. So you can see here before and after. The other option is sharpening. It will increase the sharpness of picture. You can see here, this is before and this is after. So then other option is white balance. In white balance we can increase or decrease the temperature of overall picture, and if we increase the picture, the overall picture will be look more warm, and if we decrease it, the picture will look more cool. There are three options. On the left hand side there is a auto white balance. If we click on it, it will be auto adjust the overall white balance of the picture. In the middle there is temperature and tint. So this is temperature and this is tint. Tint is these colors, if we want any color to give the picture. And the other option is pen. A pen tool is, if we put a pen point in any of the picture, any point of the picture, then it will auto adjust the white balance according to that point. So the other option is curves. So curves is the most important tool. We can use it to give a very beautiful look to our image. So at the top there is a point of highlights. If we decrease it, the highlights of the picture will be decreased. If we increase it, the highlights of the picture will be increased. And at the end there is a point of shadows. If we increase it, the shadows of the picture will be increased. If we decrease it, the shadows of the picture will be decreased. And in the middle there is a midpoint. There it will look like this. So now I will talk about the most famous curve, which is S curve. So in order to make S curve, we will put 3 points on the curve, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will make it like S. So this is before and this is after. So there is option RGB. RGB stands for red, green and blue. So if we click on RGB, it will increase or decrease the mixture of red, green and blue. And if we click on red, then it will only increase or decrease the highlights and shadows of red. And same for other colors. And last option is luminance. Luminance is the overall light in the picture. If we increase it, the light in picture will be increased, and if we decrease it, light in the picture will be decreased. Now I will edit the picture using these 5 tools. I will decrease some brightness, increase some contrast, increase some saturation. I will decrease some highlights, increase some shadows. That's it. Then we'll go to details, we'll increase the structure. That's it. Then we will go to structure, we will make as curve. That's it. This is the before and this is the after. So this is the today's tutorial. Allah Hafiz.